Well, you can see Benjamin hiding in the car. Picked up this automatic gear position sensor, is what I'm going to call it. I'll look it up later. From the junkyard today. And that has now cleared up the no cranking via the TSX's ignition switch. So I fired it up earlier briefly with brake clean. I still don't have a gas tank in it, no fuel pump in it. So I'm going to have Benjamin turning over here in a second. It'll fire up. I'm going to see if I can keep it running with the brake cleaner. If not, it'll just verify that there's another issue that I got to clear up for it to continue to run. I know it's not the immobilizer. I know I've taken care of this part, so it'll crank via the ignition at this point. So we'll try this out.
Ready?
This will be the firing via the key. I lost the hair on my hand.
I saw that fireball through the barnacles.
It just finally went out. It finally went out. So there you go. Thank goodness you have no smell-o-vision, because it doesn't smell good. But it continued to run, and that's awesome. I'm guessing the tack didn't work, and the other stuff, it just sat there.
I saw it, the fireball through this. That's how.
Yeah. So the windshield is not clean. Like, not clean. Barnacles, basically. But yeah, Benjamin saw the fireball. I just wiped off all of the hair that singed off of my hand. But it continued to run, so I'm happy with that. Superficial, merely a flesh wound. It'll be fine. So that's the latest update. Thanks for watching. See y'all.